Do it, and a lot of them haven't formed the habit of getting in and just buckling up. And a lot of that will come from how they were raised. So we find that if they had parents and families and friends, so the majority of the crashes that I've been to and had to respond to when I was working the road involving teens that were not belted in, most of them have a much higher chance of ejection. Higher chance of major injury because they're not belted in. So I've been to many teen-involved accidents where they weren't buckled in and they did die because of the impact of the crash. There's some that the body's really traumatized because of the high impact. Definitely a big deal. It's something we do see in this state. We do have quite a few teens that comply, but it only takes that one time to get in a collision, and next thing you know, we have to respond to the house, knock on the door, and tell a parent that their child's not coming home.